Hi everyone, in this video we will compare Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT. Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT both use AI to assist users, but they serve different purposes. Microsoft Copilot is deeply integrated into Microsoft 365, making it ideal for professionals who use Word, Excel, and Outlook. It boosts productivity by automating tasks like summarizing text, analyzing data, and drafting content. Its seamless access within familiar tools is a major advantage. However, it's limited to Microsoft environments and requires a subscription. Meanwhile, ChatGPT is a versatile AI chatbot that works across various platforms, offering help with writing, coding, and more. It's accessible via web and mobile apps, making it highly flexible for personal and professional use. Its ability to hold extended conversations is a plus. However, it's not as deeply embedded in productivity software by default. In my opinion, Copilot enhances productivity within Microsoft apps, while ChatGPT offers more flexible assistance across many platforms. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.